Chiquitas! I have shout outs today. I went to my local Dollar Tree store. I was looking for some items and I met Jessica there, who was awesome. She was busy. She had so much that she was restocking, and I interrupted her so many times as I was trying to find some items, and she was very helpful, very friendly, and really super nice. Hi Jessica, thank you for your help that day, and welcome if you are watching. Also, shout outs for Carla and tía Estela. No se me ha olvidado que ustedes también tienen una receta pendiente conmigo y está por venir próximamente. Also to Jackie, I've got that recipe coming for you too. I hope you guys don't mind the Spanglish. Vamos a hacer chamoy casero, así que ya me estoy saboreando. Tengo mucha salivita que se me está produciendo porque tengo todos los ingredientes aquí y huele súper rico. Así es de que esta receta la pueden usar ya sea para sus bebidas, sus frutas, sus dulces. You can use this for many, many things. So let's get to it because my mouth won't stop watering. Para esta receta vamos a usar una cazuela de teflón. You want to use a non-stick pan. Going to add 2 cups of water, 2 tazas de agua. We're going to do about 9 apricots. Vamos a ponerle 9 pedazos de chabacán. Media taza de Jamaica. We're going to do half a cup of hibiscus. Half a cup of sugar, media taza de azúcar, half a cup of chili powder, media taza de chile. Pueden usar el chile que ustedes gusten, pueden usar tajín, chile para fruta, lo que gusten. Any chili powder that you like. It's gonna be half a cup of that. Half a cup of pitted plums. Vamos a ponerle media taza de ciruela o pasa. Sin el hueso, no le pongan el hueso. Y le pueden poner tamarindo también si gustan. Yo no le voy a poner tamarindo. You guys feel free to add some tamarind if you like. Make sure you take those seeds out so it's easier for you. And we are going to give this a little bit of a stir. And this is going to boil for about 30 minutes. Ya le di una meneadita y esto lo vamos a dejar hervir por 30 minutos. Yo le voy a poner poquitito, una pizquita de chilito picante. I'm gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper. Este se llama cayenne pepper, no sé cómo se llama en español. Le voy a poner una pizquita porque a mí sí me gusta que pique. I like my stuff spicy. So that's gonna be up to you. Ooh, smells good. Vamos a poner esto a hervir por 30 minutitos y vamos a regresar cuando ya esté hirviendo. I'm gonna let this boil for 30 minutes. Ya hirvió bien y bonito. En fuego lento vamos a poner el chamoy en la olla. We're bringing it back to the pan. At low heat. Si se les pega así un poquito, pueden ponerle poquita agua y sacar lo que se queda ahí abajo. Ahora en fuego lento le vamos a poner el jugo de aproximadamente 2 limones. Y tienes que estarle meneando constantemente. After you add the juice of about a lemon or 2, you want to make sure that you are stirring this constantly. You don't want this to stick. And we're doing this for about 10 minutes. Vamos a menear por aproximadamente 10 minutos. It smells really good. Ya huele muy rico. Puedes usar tajín o puedes usar otro chilito. Pero yo en este caso voy a usar el chilito pico de gallo. Y sobre otro plato voy a cubrir la manzana así con chilito. Y queda tipo las paletas de mango, la paleta de sandía, donde te queda pegajoso, rico, jugoso. This is gonna be a really good treat. My chamoy is a little more on the thick side. You can always make it a little more watery if you like by adding more water to it. This is how I like it. I like to use it on fruit like I did here with this apple. I'm going to see what Brianna thinks. Hey, princess.
Hi.
How about you try and let us know what you think?
It's really good. It's like it's kind of spicy, but like not that much. And it's like tangy. It's pretty good. The texture reminds me of like those salted plums that are in chamoy.
Okay.
It has like that texture, and it has the same taste actually, like similar taste. It's really good. I like it. It's like it's not too like watery like the ones from the store, you know. It's more thick, And it actually goes really good with apple. Like if you want to dip fruits into it like this, that'd be pretty cool.
Well, there are plums in the recipe.
That makes sense. It tastes just like the
So
olas.
I used dried apricots. I used plums instead of tamarindo. And there is some cayenne pepper in there to give it up that spiciness that you're feeling or tasting.
It's really good.
Well, thank you. So do you think my subscribers should give it a shot?
Definitely.
Nice. And you're not just saying it because I'm your mother.
No. Can I have the rest of the apple?
Sure. We're just gonna dip this into our chamoy. The good thing is that it's nice and thick, like Bree described it. And so it'll stick very nicely onto your apple. You can go as thick as you want to, or as much or as little as you want. Another little tip, you can always put these in the refrigerator. Your chamoy will get nice and cold and harden, and it will last longer, like if you're gonna serve this as a dessert or treats, or whatever it is that you want to serve. Shout out Wendy. Yes, I guess my recipe does work on the rim of a cup. It's not dripping, it's nice and thick. Tengo una amiguita que se llama Wendy, tenía ella una pregunta o pensaba ella que mi receta era específicamente para los vasos, cosa que nunca había calado, no con mi receta, pero parece que sí está en el vasito. Sabe muy rico. This is really good on the rim of a cup. So all you would have to do is add your favorite drink, whether it's a beer, whether it's a mango drink, whatever it is that you like, definitely works on the rim of a cup. Sí me funcionó en el vaso. También pueden meter sus manzanitas en una bolsita si las piensan regalar. Las metí al refrigerador, quedaron frillitas, bien ricas. If you want to put this in the fridge, bag it up and, give it as a treat or a little giveaway or whatever, you can do so. I put this in the refrigerator for a little bit and it holds up really well. I'm hoping that you guys like this recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. No se les olvide darle like si les gustó este video o esta receta. And if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. But if you haven't and you're strolling by, hit subscribe. And let me know whether you liked it on the comments down below. Until next time, bye.